I'm just headed out. I thought it was a good day to maybe go to the thrift store and the antique store. There's two thrift stores and an antique store kind of all close together. My husband's golfing today, so I just thought it would be nice to just get out for a little bit, and if I find anything good, I will share it. Good morning. It's Monday, another day, another walk. It is cold out here, but no frost. But man, it feels colder than it has lately. Anyway, feels good to get out here. Hope you're having a great start to your week. Not sure what's on tap for me this week. I have a hair appointment tomorrow. But we'll check back in a little later. Hello, happy Tuesday. Well, I just got out of a hair appointment. I did a Brazilian blowout. I have naturally curly hair, and I just fight the frizz whenever it rains here, or I straighten my hair, and then it tends to just get bigger and bigger. So I hadn't had a Brazilian blowout in probably a year and a half, and I just decided that I just can't keep fighting it anymore. So yeah, that is what I just had done, and I love it. It's nice and straight and smooth. So yeah, I'm gonna head home. So we'll talk to you later. Well, we're through January almost. I feel like everyone's been joking. There's like 84 days in January. It feels like that, doesn't it? It feels like it never ends. I had shared in my shorts a planner video of what I'm doing with my planner this year. So this is my planner, and I've added a few things, and I thought I would just kind of share it with you. I don't know if you're on TikTok at all, but there's all these videos about the journal ecosystem. Really kind of fun. And I've kind of gone down this rabbit hole. I'm not a huge journaler. Let me know if you are. And I know some people have been journaling for years, but I'm not a big journaler, but I'm trying to kind of create notebooks that I need or with information. So I thought I'd just share a little bit. So first off, this is my planner. So I bought this cover off of eBay, and then you can watch my video, but I filled it up with planner pages and stuff that I shared. But one thing I got new that I wanted to share with you is I got this adorable little brass clip from Amazon, and it's perfect for just kind of clipping on and just kind of, holding pages. So I thought that was really fun. I also made these little, I bought some paper clips and I attached a ribbon to them, so they're kind of like some little bookmarks. So those have been really fun. So nothing too new in my planner, but I did do something else. So I had this Coach notebook, and it just had a kind of a spiral bound notebook in it. And in my TikTok dive on journal ecosystems, a lot of people use the Louise Carmen journals, which are amazing. So I wanted to create something like that with this. So I went to Home Goods and I found these little notebooks. They're made in Italy. They have the coolest red pages. These happen to be on clearance, like 6 for $10. But they're these little thin notebooks. And then what I did was I got some of these elastic bands off of Amazon, and that's how they're in here. It kind of bends down my cover just a little bit, but I really don't mind. And then my daughter had some of these little leftover letters, so I used those. So what I did was I created a notebook for goals, and then I did one for work, which my job is social media, so that one. And then I did lists. So this one's been nice because I'm keeping a list of books I'm reading, books I want to read, movies I want to watch, kind of things like that. My work one is going to be kind of content ideas, brand collaborations that I have, things like that. And then the last one I did is garden, and I haven't really started filling that one in yet, but that'll be, you know, what's coming up to plant for January, or what are some February jobs. So I love it. I love how it looks, especially with the red, but it was a great way for me to kind of create a bunch of notebooks inside this one little book. So I really love that. I probably won't take this one with me places for the most part. I mean, this one is enough to carry around. And then the other thing I did was I found this adorable little journal on Amazon. Now, this is very similar to those Louise Carmen journals. This one's very small, and I just tucked a little pen in here. I added on this little thing I had, and then I have these little charms. I added these on as well, so just for fun. But this is a fun little one that I'm going to keep in my purse for just notes if I'm having coffee with a friend and we I forgot to bring my planner, and I want to jot down some lists or a book someone mentions, or I'm just out and I have a thought on an idea or something I want to share here on YouTube with all of you. So I thought this was a really fun little journal. It comes in burgundy and it comes in brown. It's real leather. And then you just open it up, and inside it came with this little plastic pouch, and then it has 3 separate notebooks. So if you're kind of a junk journaler, you could add, some fun things in there. It's got one with lined pages, and then another one with just some plain pages, and then a little zipper pouch here in the back. So it's just a really cute little journal to carry around with you, in your day-to-day and take notes. So I just wanted to share that with you. So this is kind of, I guess, my journal ecosystem, kind of what I've created right now. I'm trying to just be better about being intentional about using my planner, about writing lists, those kinds of things. Good morning. Happy Sunday. I am sorry I got this vlog up a little late. Kind of a uneventful week, so I hope this one doesn't seem too boring, but it's just reality, life. I'm out here for my walk. I didn't walk yesterday. My husband and I did a little antiquing in a town about an hour north of us called Snohomish. And if you're local, they have a lot of great antique stores and restaurants and shops. So that was really fun. We kind of thought we had got our steps in, but when I looked, I only had like 5,000. So I needed to make up for it today. I'm wearing my 12-pound vest. So I normally walk, I started in 8-pound, moved up to 12, and then during my whole little plantar fasciitis thing, I went back down to 8. So back up to 12, and I will say 4 pounds makes a huge difference. So keep that in mind if you're moving up in your weighted vest. You don't need to go too heavy, because then you won't walk in it. That's always my best tip. I thought I'd share something else really quick. So I don't always remember dreams, and I'm not really big into the meaning of them, but last night's dream was all about snakes, and I know that must mean something. I had this dream that they found an anaconda, tons of snakes. There was something else they found in my backyard. It's like I had to hire somebody to come get these out of my yard, and it was awful. Like, the guy who caught them put them in my garbage cans. So he put like 8 snakes in one can and then put a lid on it. And then he put the anaconda in a Home Depot bucket. This is so weird. With like a cucumber and something else to feed it, but put the lid on it and then set them all out for my garbage man to take. It was so bizarre. And of course, the one garbage can with the 8 snakes was trying to like push the lid off, so we had to put like a cinder block on top to hold the lid on. You guys, it was the strangest dream. I never dream like that, and it's weird because I wasn't scared, but it was just so odd. Like an anaconda? What the heck? It was just gross. I don't know. So if you're into dreams and you kind of know what that would mean, let me know. I don't know. You know, sometimes I think my 3 boys are kind of all going through some big life changes this year. All good, but change nonetheless. And some of it's hard, you know. And so, you know, we've been kind of navigating some of that with them. And I think, you know, as a mom, you just worry about them and think about them and read too much into things sometimes. So I don't know if that could have been, because I did go to bed with that on my mind last night. I don't know. So anyway, I thought I would share that with you. Yeah. So today I'm going to get my video edited today and get it up for you this afternoon. And I do have some content that I need to work on. So I hope you had a really relaxing weekend, and we will see you next week.